In this video, we demo how to use the ZippyBots bot building platform for creating a chatbot. We load the zippybots.com website and click on User DIY platform to start building the chatbot. You need to log in via Facebook on this platform, and I've already done the login, so I'm directly taken to my home page where I can see some stats about the various chatbots that I have built, number of unique users, messages sent, etc. Now to start building a new bot, I go to my bots and click on create bot. I'm going to call this bot test bot new, and I save it. Alright, so empty bot has been created for me. Now I need to go to the storyboard to start creating a conversation flow here. A bot comprises of a series of blocks. The first block, well, by default, is a welcome block, which has already been created for me. And in a block, we have 4 sections. Bot says is where we write the message which will be sent by the bot. We have all the templates, the UI elements which Facebook Messenger allows, prompts, images, buttons, carousels, audio, video files, location, etc. Now the second section is where we define user response type. If you are asking for location, then you want to make sure that user has sent you a location. So the response types are in date, time, email, location, and you could even define your own regular expression here. The third section is bot action, and here what you can do is you can save user response into a variable. You can ping an API. You can even write a small snippet of code to do some action on the user provided input. And the last section is next block conditions, where you define which block is to be selected next, and this could be done on the basis of any user input or some variable that you have saved previously. Alright, with this background, let's start creating our chatbot. So I'm gonna change the default welcome message. So I'm asking the user for her email address, and this first name will be provided to us by Facebook. So since we are expecting the user to provide us an email address, I'm gonna select user input response type as email. Since we have only one block, we have to circle back to it as of now. And in case a user provides incorrect email address, we'll show this error message. And in next block conditions, we can right now just say go back to welcome. This is just a single block bot. Now let's see how we can publish this bot on Facebook. So we come here, hit on the publish button, and a bot has to be linked to a Facebook page. So this is the list of all the Facebook pages that I have, and I'm going to link this particular chatbot to the page called bot test. Alright, with this single step, my bot is already published and I can start interacting with it. So I click here on bot test and it will open my chatbot in my Facebook Messenger. Alright, I have the get started button here. As you can see, the bot picked up my name from Facebook, and in case I provide an invalid email address, it's going to ask me to provide a correct email address. Alright, this works, and we are again back to the welcome message because that's what we have built in the bot. Now what we will do is go back and make this bot a little richer. All right, I've added a few new blocks to our chatbot. First is the error handle block, and we are brought here if the user does not provide us a valid email address. And in case the user says she doesn't have an email address, we can directly go to the third get city block. In the get city block, we are using the UI elements quick response, and we are giving the user three options to for city selection: Delhi, Mumbai, or any other city. And depending upon which city the user selects, either Mumbai or Delhi, we take him to a different block. In the Delhi block, we show him a carousel card with two images of some iconic structures in Delhi, and similarly in Mumbai. Now let's go to our chatbot and restart our conversation. All right. So let's say I provide an incorrect email address. I'm prompted to provide a correct email address. I do not do that. Now I'm taken to the error handle block, and let's say I don't have an email address. So in this case, it will skip email address part and bring me directly to the city block. Let's say I select Delhi, and it is showing me a carousel card with two images of India Gate and Red Fort. Just to show you, this is how we have created a carousel card. We just provide links to the images, and then we have some text for the buttons. Now let's say I want to go back. So it's again asking me which city I am from. Let's say this time I select Mumbai. Okay, now it's showing me some images from Mumbai, and let's say this time go to next block, and that's all we have here.